In this lesson, we will learn how to set up the editing environment of our software, CapCut. We will discuss the following: folder organization, download and installation of our software. File organization is essential to digital asset management and it has several benefits. Practicing proper folder structure gives you easy access into your folder, into your file. Whenever you need to find any particular file, you won't spend unnecessary time looking here and there because you have proper folder structure in place. As a result, it saves you time and it reduces stress. Proper folder structure makes collaboration easy. Any member of the team can easily go to the folder, to the project folder, and access any file needed anytime, any day, because there is a proper organization of the assets in place. A good folder structure has a good naming system. You cannot separate these two. They work hand in hand. When you practice proper organization of your folder, it goes along with good naming style. These two combined makes life easy for you as a digital content creator. It is important for you to practice consistent, proper folder structure and naming system. Let me show you an example of a good file management and naming system. Alright, so to show you an example of a proper folder structure and good naming style, I'm going to create one with you. So you create the mother folder, that is the folder that contains the project you are working on. So that's going to be the project itself. Let's call it 20 to the top. That's the name of the project. In the project folder, you have every asset that is needed for the building of the project, both digital, including image, audio, and video. So you create folder for each of them with a very good naming style. We're talking about reel this time, so let's create a folder for the reels. We have reels. We'll be needing image. Let's create folder for images. If you're going to be needing sound, you create folder for sound. So you create folder for the final output of your project. After editing, the folder that contains the edited project is called output. So these are the major folders for the project now. So in the reel, the folder called reel contains the series that you will be working on, the real series that you'll be working on. So let's say I have like 2 or 3 series. Now I have a series called, so in order for me to know that it's a reel, observe my naming style. Reel, let's call it Facebook reach issue. If we're going to be talking about Facebook reach issue, that's a series issue. Alright, so this is the folder for every footage or every asset that has to do with Facebook reach issue. We'll be going into this folder. Clip, the raw video, the audio, images or logo, if any is available. Now let's go to the next series. Reel, it's also a reel. Let's call it personal brand development. It's another series. Personal brand development. Every asset that has to do with personal brand development goes into this folder. And one more, let's say building engaged social media followers. That's another series. Real building followers. Now this is a very good file structure. I can easily locate any assets needed. Any member of the team can easily go into the 20 to the top folder. I can easily know that, okay, this is where we have the reels. Oh, this is the series. Facebook Reach Issue. This is a series Personal Brand Development, and this is a series Building Engaged Social Media Follower, right? So any member of the team can easily come and okay, this is image, and if you observe, you see that each of the major folder I have written in capital letters, right? So that's a naming style, and any other minor folders can have the sentence case, and that is a way to create a sound folder structure. Always practice proper folder organization and naming style, especially when you're in a hurry. With a well-structured file organization, you're taking care of a lot of problems like wastage of time, stress, insecure files, and so on. Now let's go on to download and install CapCut for desktop.